This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do guys is very simple. First thing, open the Google Chrome or any browser you have, for example Safari or Samsung Internet or any other ones. So I'm gonna just use Chrome browser, go to Google and search for WhatsApp and then go to the website of WhatsApp, whatsapp.com. Now here on the whatsapp.com you have to go to the top corner, click on those three lines and then go to the help center option. After you go to the help center, this is the most important step. Scroll down and go to the get in touch option and click on it. After you click on it, now click here on this contact us. Now scroll down and you need to make sure to fill all those informations from the phone number, the country, the email address, the confirm email address and the device that you use. And here enter your message that you wanna say to WhatsApp so they can help you. For example, hello, my account is suspended without any reason. And of course you need to say this just if you don't have any reason really, because if you wasn't using WhatsApp in the right way, they can't help you, and that's it. After you finish, click on next step and don't forget to like and subscribe.